Have you ever wondered about the purpose of smudging in witchcraft? How about the array of smudge sticks available and when to use them? Today we delve into the mystical world of smudging, a powerful practice found not only in witchcraft but also in several cultures around the globe. Smudging, essentially, is a ritualistic burning of certain herbs and resins to purify and bless people and spaces. It's a practice steeped in symbolism and believed to dissipate negative energy while attracting positive vibes. Now, let's unravel the mystery surrounding the different types of smudge sticks. The choices are as diverse as the reasons for smudging. Sage, for instance, has been a popular choice since time immemorial. It's a powerful cleanser, thought to rid spaces of negativity and promote healing. Then there's lavender, which not only smells divine but also invites tranquility and harmony. Sweetgrass, with its sweet vanilla-like scent, is said to attract good spirits and positive energies. It's often used after sage, in a sequence of cleansing and blessing. Palo santo, or holy wood, is another favorite, known for its capacity to inspire creativity and bring forth good fortune. Cedar, on the other hand, is used for protection. It's believed to guard a person or space against unwanted influences and ward off sickness. Lastly, there's the resin from frankincense and myrrh trees, which has been used for thousands of years for spiritual purification and protection. When should we smudge? It's really up to the individual and their intent. Some people smudge their homes regularly to maintain a balanced, peaceful energy. Others may do it after a disagreement, a bout of illness, or when moving into a new home. It's also common to smudge oneself or others before a ritual or ceremony. The key is to approach it with respect and clear intent. So, to recap, smudging is a meaningful ritual in witchcraft used to cleanse and bless spaces and individuals. There's a beautiful variety of smudge sticks available, each with its own unique properties and purposes. The act of smudging is as personal as it is powerful, and its timing is largely dependent on individual needs and intentions. Remember, the power of smudging comes not from the smoke, but from the intention behind it. So, next time you light a smudge stick, think about the energy you want to invite in, and let the smoke carry your intentions out into the universe. And with that, we conclude our journey into the world of smudging in witchcraft. May it guide you on your spiritual path.